Sometimes, if you want to stop being a zombie, you just need to take a shower. Good morning, Clementina! What's wrong with you? You're a human and you're a zombie! Phew! Thank goodness! It was only a dream. My sleep mask makes everyone look like a zombie. Glue green felt onto a black sleep mask. Cut brow bones, cheekbones, and eye shapes out of felt. Then glue them onto the mask. Outline the details and define wrinkles and pupils using fabric paint. Make drips of yellow hot glue. Color in the eye yellow. Use red paint to make veins on the eyeball. Clementina, that mask makes you look zombie-licious! Oh no, it wasn't a dream! Ben really turned into a zombie! Plot twist! I still can't believe that my best friend is a zombie now, too! This is so weird! 2 zombies in one apartment is way too much. It's a good thing he still cares about his hygiene. I should brush my teeth too. A strong zombie tooth is holding my toothbrush. Cover a toothbrush holder shaped like a tooth with green spray paint. Color eyes using white acrylic paint. Outline them with a black fine liner. Paint blood drips red. Zombie tooth, give me my toothbrush. Thanks! Holy tombstone, Ben! What happened to your smile? It's as bleak as my hope for my future. Ben is acting like a real zombie. He is super happy about his graveyard toothpaste. Cut open a tube of toothpaste. Squeeze the toothpaste into a bowl. Add black food coloring to it to make it look like dirt. Put the toothpaste back into the tube. Cover the cut with parchment paper and seal it shut using a flat iron. Attach a zombie toothpaste label on top. This zombie toothpaste is grape flavored. Awesome! Clementina, let me show you my smile. Ben is looking for something to eat for breakfast. I wonder what real zombies eat. No, none of this looks good. What should I have? Ben, use your head. Come on, flex that big brain of yours. That's perfect. I should eat brains. Draw lines on a grapefruit with a marker. Make it look like a brain. Carefully cut the peel along the lines. Here's my fresh citrus brain! Delicious! I'm about to squeeze out all the juices. Mmm, grapefruit brain juice! So yummy! Now Zomben is satisfied. Ouch! This grapefruit is too smart for me. Ben is all itchy. His body isn't used to having zombie skin. Help! Can someone scratch my back? I can't reach! What is this? A zombie hand? That's exactly what I need! A third hand that'll be able to reach my back. Make a hand with bent fingers out of wire. Add volume with hot glue. Color it with acrylic paint. Add tendons and bones. Oh, I'm in zombie heaven! A zombie massager to scratch all my itches! Hey, Ben, what are you doing? That's my brush! I was looking for it! You were using it to scratch your back? I use this hand to brush my hair! Don't scratch yourself next to me! Ben is hungry. He wants to find something delicious. What's this? There are fresh bones on the floor. Lucky me! Cover 1-pound weights with light clay. Make a bone shape. Cover them with acrylic paint. Add details and texture. Huh? That's not tasty at all. Silly Ben, those are my weights for my zombie workouts. You can't chew on them. Use them to grow your muscles. Try it. Every self-respecting zombie needs to stay in shape. Come on, Benny, let's work out. Left, right, We need to show everyone that zombies can be fit too. Ben's face is rejecting his zombie nature. I'm so itchy. What can I put on my skin? Do we have some kind of moisturizing spray? What is this? Oops! Clementina, help! Clementina is a very experienced zombie. She'll help her pale friend. No, it's not enough. We need something extra strong. Think of something. Looks like she has an idea. Color a sheet mask with food markers. Draw red veins. Put the mask in a Ziploc bag. And attach a zombie label. Ben would even dive into a fish tank. Just to calm down his zombie skin. Unfortunately, he can't breathe underwater. But zombies don't need to breathe. Wait, Ben! I thought of a way to save your skin. Here's a nourishing blood-based face mask for your skin. Just lie still and relax. Feel your zombie pores filling with blood. Finally, Ben calmed down. The zombie spa was a success. Oh, what a nightmare! My face looks so pink. I don't look like a real zombie at all. Don't cry, my zombie bestie. I have something for you. Where is it? It was here somewhere. Oh, here it is. A zombie palette to make you look deadly. Carefully remove the eyeshadow from a makeup palette. Pour in gray eyeshadow. Use a pipette to put makeup setting spray on top. Press it down. Fill all the cells with zombie-themed colors. Attach a zombie makeup label to the lid. Thanks, Zombenny! This palette is exactly what my face needed. All my favorite colors, from undead gray to grimy green. Why do I need a brush when I can just use my finger? I'll fix my eye circles. Wonderful! Now I look even more exhausted. Corpse lips are a zombie makeup must-have. What's this? An unnatural glow? Ooh, I love it! This green color makes my zombie nose look adorable. What do you think, Ben? Isn't my makeup amazing? Even better, Clemmy! You could be Miss Zombie 2020! Did you like our zombie lifestyle ideas? Then comment below and tell us which zombie idea you'll try. Making a zombie sleep mask, bone weights, zombie hand hairbrush. Plus, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new zombie ideas from Troom.